I want to remind all of you today, the worst mistake Igbo people are going to do on the face of the planet Earth for them to lose Biafra.
This our brother has made it clear to every Igbo person, especially all the youth, because this video is going for the youth, not the older men or women. So this particular video is for the Igbo youth. So you people need to pay attention in this particular video, because this our brother that you people are hearing on my screen just made a source statement that I don't want any of us to miss, because what he's saying is actually truth. So just take of your time and listen to him and see what he said concerning if we the Biafran youth or we the entire Biafran lose Biafra. So just watch this video. After watching this video, drop your opinion in the comment section, and do not forget to tag your family members there, so that they can be able to watch this particular video, and also they can be able to drop your opinion inside the comment section, because we have suffered a lot in Nigeria. So now we have to protect, and we have to protect ourselves to make sure that we get this Biafra, because Biafra is the only thing that can save me and you, and you also know that Biafra is the solution for Biafrans. One love.
I want to remind all of you today, the worst mistake Igbo people are going to do on the face of the planet Earth for them to lose Biafra. The worst mistake Southeast and South is going to do on the face of this planet Earth for them to lose Biafra. I'm telling you people truth and reality, whether you believe it or not. I will tell you the truth. If you people lose Biafra, all the whole Igbo millionaires and billionaires, they are going to regret it. Write it down in a piece of paper. I'm telling you the truth and reality. It's better for you to lose investment we have in Lagos and the North than losing Biafra. Believe it or not, I will tell you the truth and reality. If you lose Biafra before 1 year and 6 months, all of you are going to regret it. Any day, anytime you failed to achieve Biafra before 1 year, getting to 6 months, all of you are going to cry, I don't know. And that's the last comment of a fool. I don't know. Believe it or not, go and pursue your freedom. That is the greatest thing in your life.
Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I pray that this video gets to wherever you are. I don't know if Nigerian government allow you to go through your phone so that you can be watching what is going on in the internet. If it's true, then I don't need to say much on this video. But if it's not true, then let me just give you a candid advice, because I am the outside world, you are in the inside world. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you have done your best. You have tried your best. As a matter of fact, you have done the unexpectable or unbelievable. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, without wasting of your time, our Ndigbo are divided. 50% of our Ndigbo sisi buogi. 50% of our Ndigbo sisi hapoge. More as on sisi hapoge. Mana we am chore gbagi. The confusion our Ndigbo in Nigerian government. But now I make it happen again, because majority people Ndigbo I can't call them saboteur, everybody with their own opinion, but I think this is what is delaying your release. It's not from the Yoruba or from the Hausa, but from the Igbo people. So here Choribagi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, anytime the Nigerian government take again and offer you anything, my brother, take that offer and go to your family. Igbos are not worth dying for. Ndigbo are not worth dying for. Stop wasting your time and languishing your life in prison. take any offer and go to your family and your beautiful, intelligent son with me. High rate IQ. Igbos don't worth dying for. I repeat, Ndigbo don't worth dying for. Me, no fit die for now. I no fit die for now. Saboto akanku ni manye. Nnamdi Kanu, you have tried your best. Don't kill yourself for Ndigbo. Don't kill yourself for Ndigbo. Papa, mama don't die for this same struggle. When you offer down, you get nara hire me area from that place because ulilanya de okwa Ndigbo ekwo ka hapu go. Okwa Ndigbo munde na ekwo ka hapu gi. Awukwa nde Yoruba mo nda Hausa. Just so you know. Thank you very much and God bless you. Take my advice and think it twice. Don't be stupid.
Some Fulani members were seen in Akwa Ibom and they were arrested. To the greatest surprise, these people are wearing army uniform, like complete army attire. But all of them are fake. All of them are Fulani bandits. And all of them were arrested and they were taken to the police. Let me tell you, these Fulanis that were arrested, they were arrested with 18 AK-47. 18 AK-47, not pump action, 18 AK-47. And they were arrested. The communities arrested them and took them to the police station. To their greatest surprise, the police people released these Fulani bandits. Anyway, I'm going to play the video. Let's watch the video. After watching, and drop whatever you think under the comment section. What a country. This is Nigeria. This is where we find ourselves, where everywhere is corrupted. Anyway, let's continue to push. Watch the video and do it to drop your thoughts under the comment section.
Oh, we've seen a trace of it today because some people were arrested with fake army uniforms. They came with 18 AK-47 and they were arrested. But unfortunately, as I'm speaking right now, as those people were arrested, the QRS person, through the order of the Commissioner of Police, were asking that those people should all be let go. And before this time, fortunately, some of our guys were able to capture this thing with their phones. So we have pictures of the fake army uniforms those people were wearing. We are going to play for the whole world to see. The 18 AK-47 recovered by the police. Police have allowed them to take them all back. This is the same war sword that was pronounced. The IG of police, we've reported this thing to the highest order. We've reported this to the presidency, to all the arms of the security agencies. And nobody has taken steps to address it. So they are leaving Akwa Ibom people to defend themselves. Meanwhile, they are using our own oil money to maintain security. Just recently, the SS crude account that was kept for our own people had been used to acquire military weapons. We didn't know those weapons were used to come and intimidate Akwa Ibom people. So we've called on all the powers that be. We've called on the international community that this is a war that has been declared. I've never heard where Nigeria police is a partisanship. This is the first time where the entire police structure is belonging to a particular political party. But since we don't have the police, we don't have anything except God that we have on our people. We want to let the whole world know that whatever happens in this state is caused by the police, not any other arm of the agency, but the police force. With the people that the court has actually declared as illegal occupants of that seat. And today he led them into the place with talks. And we're calling on all that let the police force be called to order. They should go and defend Nigerian territories where need be. They were meant to maintain peace and order, internal peace and order, not to cause chaos in some one state. And if they are playing politics this way, there's no hope for democracy in this country. And this is in line with the plan. We have their script. That number one, they want to cause mayhem in the state so that election will not be held. The same day general election will be called. But we are trying to tell them if election is not held on that week, we can't hold election on that same day. They should forget election here. Either you hold election the same day everybody is, and forget about elections here. Elections must be held the same day. That is what they are trying to perpetrate here now. And you need to see, they've injured a lot of our people. They've destroyed people's houses. And police are supervising them to do this. Which country has this ever happened? And we've reported this, they tend to ignore. I've called the IG police operations who's supposed to call this into order. He promised me he was going to call this to order. Nothing has been done. We've tried to reach IG of police this morning. He has rebuffed us. Why should this happen in a country that has constitution, there's law, and everybody here is a citizen? Nobody was brought into Nigeria. Nobody here is an alien. So we are warning the whole country now that Akwa Ibom State is under siege by the police, not by any other person. Because we have all our people here. And we have very peace-loving people. But our peace is being threatened by the police force. Let the commissioner that they just posted last weekend, who is coming to perpetrate this, let's assume he has finished his course. He has achieved his own mission. I want to call on the police force. This evening, the police commissioner of this state must be withdrawn. He has to leave this evening. He must be withdrawn. The head of the QRS must be withdrawn. So that we can maintain peace. And let them also sound a note of warning that those who have governed the state and left, they should stay in Abuja. The state, we have a population of 6.2 million people. We will not take this as a people. We gave you opportunity, you govern, you're calling on war. Meanwhile, you kept your children abroad and calling on war. Which children do we want to kill? In which state? We stand for peace, and we shall ever remain peace and law-abiding citizens of this country. We believe the Constitution will take this course. And we're also calling on the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Please, we are all citizens of this country. And that the President should take necessary action to forestall this, because we see this sign. And we have actually been sounding this warning. We've noted this everywhere, but it seems to be ignored. Today it has played out. I want to believe my people will be protected.